All right, Dr. Emer, we're live.
Hey guys, it's Dr. Emer. We're here with one of my favorite clients, Bianca. She is absolutely gorgeous. And why is she gorgeous? Because she not only eats right, takes great care of her skin and her body, but she also goes to me as her dermatologist, and we take amazing care of her skin, right?
Yes.
So today, what are we gonna do today? Skin tightening.
Yes.
Is that what you want?
Right.
Yes.
Skin tightening, reducing lines, reducing pores.
Just keeping you looking
anti-aging,
beautiful.
keeping you
Exactly.
looking beautiful.
Everything now is rejuvenation, you guys. So we're doing things before it gets bad. Because once it's bad, it's difficult to treat. So what is this? This is PIXEL8. This is the newest microneedling radio frequency device. It's right here. On top of it is my Aerify kit, which we're gonna have her apply at home after treatment and use for the next few weeks while she's healing to give her a better result. You guys can see I already started the treatment. Really all it is needles. You can see these needles. They puncture the skin and they go into the skin and they produce more collagen, tightening the skin. Now, it does hurt a little bit, so what I like to do is give people the cold air. We just do a few passes and we talk in between. I think talk anesthesia really helps. But she's also super strong. Tell me how many workouts. I saw you working out with that booty guy. Talk to me about him. I want to go to him.
He's amazing.
She has a trainer that's known as like the booty trainer.
The booty guy in LA.
Yes.
Yeah. So I see him 3 days a week, and it's only glute focused.
Oh my god.
So-
Okay, well I need to go to him too.
Someone wants.
I think. Why not?
Someone wants to know, can this treatment be done on men? Yes, it can. I've had it done on me. Dr. Emer's done it as well.
Yes, and my boyfriend Jose has had it done. A lot of people get it done. We did it multiple times today.
Almost everyone in our office has had it done now.
We're doing it on her for just rejuvenation purposes. I want to keep her tight and bright. She's going to be bright with the Aerify kit. She's going to be tight with PIXEL. The reason I love PIXEL, you guys, is it is very strong. You guys can see that with the right setting, we get a nice depth. You see the response, but the cool thing about it is in like a day, she's really not going to be, she's really not going to look bad. She might have like these little dots on the skin for a few days afterwards. Sorry, honey. But that will go down with the skincare, and she's just going to get tighter, and it's just going to be a nicer look. And I like for girls especially, I always try to do this additional amount in the jowl area, around the mouth, the lower face, just to get that little bit tighter and get an overall just improvement.
Someone wants to say, someone said, I'm coming to New York City. I need you.
Turn all the way to the front. Right.
Another person said the name of this treatment. This is PIXEL8. This is our microneedling radio frequency from Raw Aesthetics. We're going to follow it with our Aerify kit over there. It's going to give her a complete 2-week skincare regimen.
And remember, in the Aerify kit's an illuminating mask. That mask has in it retinol, TCA, lactic acid, salicylic acid. It also has in it kojic acid, arbutin, and niacinamide. All those work to decrease inflammation, which is why it's actually really good after this type of treatment, because it gets into the skin and it helps improve the texture and quality of the skin more readily. Where's Nisha the PA? I can have her talk a little bit.
Call Nisha?
Yeah, bring her in. Why not? Just have her talk. But here, so you guys see, how is it? Is it terrible in pain?
It's not too bad.
You're actually
Terrible.
you're really good, I would say.
It's what?
Nisha over there or no? Oh, Nisha, are you here? Nisha, tell everybody, Nisha is our resident PIXEL8 expert connoisseur.
Hi guys, Nisha the PA, Dr. Emer's office. So, microneedling radio frequency is one of my favorite treatments in the office, and specifically we're talking about PIXEL8, which of course will be taking care of 2 different things. Number 1, it takes care of texture, and of course, if you want to improve texture like irregular tone, texture, fine lines and wrinkles, PIXEL8 is the way to go, because not only will it improve the texture, but it's also going to help with skin laxity. So if you can get a combination of improving your skin laxity and improving your tone and texture of your skin, PIXEL8 is the way to go. Now I always tell patients it's a little bit spicy, but there's so many things that we can do in the office to make it super comfortable for you. You're going to get a little bit of pinpoint bleeding during treatment. Now remember that pinpoint bleeding will stop shortly after treatment. As you can see, it's already stopped on her forehead. And honestly, the downtime is very minimal. We're talking about minimal to no downtime. Now, in order to expedite this healing process, we're going to do a little bit of liquid gold on top, which is our PRP. And now PRP will help to expedite her healing process, so she's really not gonna have very much downtime at all. And if you want to take this a step further, because you guys know we don't do anything plain here, you can add Aerify
We have my mask.
on top.
Yeah, go grab it.
All right,
Alright.
now
Can you
we're
grab the
talking
kit?
about adding
Show them the
Aerify.
kit.
Let's talk
Show them
about
the
the
kit.
kit a little bit.
Show them what's inside. Because
Nisha, they want to know, can you use this on skin of color, and how often can you do this
Of course,
treatment?
Of course, oh my gosh, you guys haven't seen me do Aerify live before. I've done it several times before. You can really use this every single month, really even more frequently.
And we
than
got
that if
Lindsay.
you wanted to. I've done Aerify live.
Wow, Lindsay came in?
She's here.
Oh my god, this is the best live we've ever had. The entire crew is here with Bianca. Okay, we're almost done. She's doing really good.
She's
actually.
doing
Now
great.
remember, we were talking about the Aerify kit. This is an at-home medical grade complexion brightening kit. It's perfect to do if you're always on the go. It's also perfect to do as kind of like a Sunday fun day pick-me-up, because now you're going to pick up the brightness of your skin. And it comes with a combination of things to help to brighten your skin and give you that nice glow. I like to do it once a month, but you can also do it during special events. So we're talking about the Erified Mask. It's the beautiful mask that you put on. You leave on anywhere between 8 to 10 hours. You're not going to have like this major peeling or anything like that. Once you leave it on, you can sleep in it. I had a problem myself with my mask last time I did it, when I did my Aerify Live with Lindsay. Now, once you put this mask on for 8 to 10 hours, you have a combination of skincare products that you're going to use. You have our foaming polish. I love our foaming polish because it's a really great product that's going to help to take off all the debris from your skin, but it's also gentle enough. It's not going to overstrip your skin. We have the Hyla A, the High Spot, and then we also have the Fusion Show that you're going to add on topically. And you're going to use this combination of skincare products over the next 2 weeks after you use your Aerify kit. I can promise you it's used on all skin tones. It's going to give your skin a nice little glow, and you're going to be excited. Of course, you can do this by yourself, or you can do it after a treatment like we're going to do today after our PIXEL8.
All right, doctor, they want to know, what is she getting done?
She's getting a skin tightening with PIXEL8, you guys, and we're going to apply the Aerify, so we call that PIXEFY.
PIXEFY.
And what exciting news do we have for High Spot and Hyla A?
Oh my god, you guys, we just got the final bottles. The full sizes will be coming out very soon in both High Spot and Hyla A. You guys are going to love it. It's going to be a full size. Remember, High Spot is our growth factor, our botanicals, our vitamin C, and it's a non-bleach lightening cream. It's anti-aging because it's got the growth factors in it, and it also is brightening because it has a bunch of botanicals. We also have, you guys now know, my green serum, our Botanical Serum, which we love, that we'll put a little bit on afterwards as well. So she's pretty much finished. I'm just going to do a little bit on her nose. And then do you want to apply the mask today?
Or do you want to apply it tonight?
Or you want to put it on tonight? What would be better? Do you care going home orange?
I don't mind right now.
Okay, so then let's put it on. Nisha can apply it if you want. You can talk about it.
Let's see.
We have the PRP too.
Yeah, we'll do that. We'll do that
Yeah.
first. So you guys
Nice
see
and dry.
along the skin here. Now sometimes you get a little bit of bruising along the jawline, just a little bit, because we're going right close to bone. But I'm trying to get it as tight as I can for her.
I mean, but it's worth it for a snatched jawline, because who doesn't want that?
Exactly. No pain, no gain.
Someone said, is it Morpheus? No, this is not Morpheus. This is PIXEL8 from Aurora Aesthetics.
Perfect.
Is the Aerify Peel Light Cosmelon?
It's a very light version. You can use it as maintenance, and it does not have the downtime like a Cosmelon. There is zero downtime. It's a retinol micro peel. Micro meaning you're not going to even see it. All right, so we finished that, and let's apply the PRP. So you guys know afterwards we always do our healing protocol. It's really important. We're going to apply the PRP. Just right there. If you want to just keep it cool. We'll apply our PRP. This is for blood plasma. I like it a little bit, especially after a pixel, because it cleans up a little bit of the blood. Go ahead, you can wipe. Do you have blood? Yep. Rub it in. So you guys see this is getting rid of those little dots on the skin. How was it in terms of pain? Because I want everyone to know, no nerve blocks were done, just topical.
I felt it was painful but bearable.
But bearable.
It was
Okay,
totally
good.
bearable, yeah.
The thing I like about it is you know it's going to work.
Exactly.
You feel that it's gonna work.
Yeah. I feel like if it wasn't a bit painful, you wouldn't really feel like it's working.
No, not at all, because it wouldn't be deep enough, it wouldn't
Yeah.
be doing enough, you know?
Absolutely.
Exactly. So yeah, no, beauty is pain.
Yes, it is.
I've seen some of your photo shoots. I know the positions you have to be in those photo shoots.
Oh, yeah.
Beauty is pain.
You take a few days to recover.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Those workouts you have to do.
Yeah.
Everything. So you guys see that there's just a little bit of redness. If you look up close, there's really not much going on there. There's a couple little bruises on the jawline, no big deal. And that's it. So there's rubbing this in to really get all the PRP into the channels that have been created by the microneedling radio frequency. And we're gonna follow Bianca as she's healing because I want her to show all her friends that this isn't so bad and this is a great minimal downtime treatment. So now you want to take the Aerify out. We're going to apply Aerify, we won't use this, but this is what I'll tell you guys. If we weren't going to apply Aerify right now, we could use the Emer Skin Hydration Mask. This is our intense hydration mask. Very important for post-procedural healing, especially if you're doing lasers. We can put that on and then put the Aerify on. I'm going to put some Botanical Serum though on first. This has in it growth factors, it has in it peptides. I also like it because it's highly concentrated hyaluronic acid, and it also has tea tree extract to prevent any acne flares. But my most favorite is our Botanical Serum, right? So right now we're going to apply some of that. So can you wipe that on while I drip it on? I want to get this on right away because this will help her heal a lot more quickly. This calms the skin down, decreases redness, and makes the skin a lot less irritated after any energy-based treatment. Vitamin C, hyaluronic acid, botanical extracts, chlorophyll, and some other ingredients in here that help calm the skin and cool it. But the best part is our Aerify. Now here's what I'm going to do with the Aerify. I think I would tell her to do about half of this, and then in a week, I would have her use the other half. So I'm going to just put a little bit on right now, a thin film, because she's immediately post-treatment. This is the retinol-based Aerify kit, our Aerify mask, that's illuminating mask in the kit. The other announcement we didn't make is Aerify will also be out in its own tube. So it'll be sold independently. You will not have to do it from just in the kit. You guys will get that.
And there is a lot in that too, where people do not
just
know.
a month or so. I actually use it as my retinol at night now. So I just take a little bit and I apply it as a retinol or a spot treatment for acne. It's really good because it's got the TCA in it. And so with her, we're just getting that on. Just a little bit on there. One more and then we should be good. You guys see, it's an orange, yellow color because of the retinol. Does it hurt at all as I'm applying this or no?
Not at all.
Awesome.
It actually feels quite soothing.
It is actually a little bit cooling. Disha, what did you think when you were using this? Did you feel like there was any irritation or anything?
No, and honestly guys, I'm a huge person on smell, and so I have like this habit of smelling my products. I want not only for it to feel good, but I want it to smell good when I apply it, especially if I'm going to leave it on for 8 to 10 hours. And this smells delicious. So it smells just as good as it looks.
Love that. I don't like to use a ton of fragrances in my product line, but so it's more of a clean and crisp. But a lot of products do put fragrances, and sometimes that can irritate people's skin. So just be cautious. Think about that when you're looking at ingredients in your product. So again, in the kit, one of the things I want to show them really quick is the foaming polish. This is our favorite cleanser. It's out of stock because everyone loves it so much, but it's in the kit. So if you get a kit, you'll have this. Save this bottle, replace it with the enzyme polish as a refill, because this is an amazing product. We'll have the full sizes in a month, okay? That's it. So we did PIXEL8. Everybody thought it was great. We're gonna do a testimonial, follow up on it with her, and see how much tightening we get on her skin, because it's gonna be an amazing result, and we know it's an amazing technology. Right?
Yeah.
Great? All right, have a good day, you guys.